In front of me is CUBOT X70 and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Safety and Emergency. Then click on Emergency Contacts under Medical Information and select Add Contact right away. Then tap on the one that you wish to set up and do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. Now to change order of them, hit Reorder at the top right corner. Drag them, and after establishing a perfect order, hit Save, also at the top right corner. If you wish to delete one of your contacts from Emergency Contacts list, use this X next to the chosen one. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!